Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past question 27. What factors determine the frequency of a note emitted by vibrating string? A. The amplitude of vibration, force constant of string and length of string. B. Amplitude of vibration, force constant of string and tension in string. C. Mass per unit length of string, tension in string and length of string. And D. Force constant of string, tension in string and length of string. So the question says what factors determine the frequency of a note emitted by vibrating string. Now the frequency of a note emitted by vibrating string F is given as 1 all over 2L, that's 2 times the length, multiplied by the square root of the tension in the string all over the mass per unit length. Now this is the formula for finding the frequency of a note emitted by a vibrating string. Now from here you will see that this frequency actually depends on it depends 1 on the length of the string, 2 the tension in the string, which is the T. The length of the string is L, tension of the string is T, and also the mass per unit length, which is M. The mass per unit length, and this is M. And this is the formula for finding the frequency of a note emitted by vibrating string. This is the L, this is the tension, and this is the mass per unit length. So we have that F frequency is equal to 1 all over 2L multiplied by the square root of the tension all over the mass per unit length. Now from this you agree with me that option C is the correct answer to this question, because option C says mass per unit length, which is this, tension in string, which is this, and length of string, which is this. So the correct answer to this question is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.